Good morning, friend. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we will discuss about the how to EHS management in construction site. If you have a safety professionals and if you are working in any sectors, then this is for you. How to how to management your safety. How to run your projects with respect to safety, with respect to human behaviors and other things. So can you know that is a very simple thing how to management. So how to constructions EHS managements by the systematic approach. So first we have to have one EHS policy. That is a basic things, and that is a legal requirements. If more than 50 workers working in a organizations, then they have to have one EHS policy. So EHS policy means what? EHS policy means there are commitments or commitment by the company management management team, like the senior management, like managing director, CEO. They must be they must be commitment and on the OHS system, yeah, EHS system, how to develop. So, oh, based on the based on the EHS policy, we have to, we will have to prepare the project specific plan. And project specific plans means there are what you have project, what types of whether types of project you have, then you have to proper align and enlist all those things are, and things are in place as with respect to safety. Suppose that there are maybe some things we can discuss about the what needs to be in EHS plan. EHS plans means there must be company introductions and logistic plans, organizations charts, organizations project overview, and what are the safety measures you are going to taking in during the work. They have to mention in your HSC project HSC plan, including all scope of work. You have to proper prepare HSC plan, and what how to work you have completed, how to work with you are going to finished, then there must be highlighted in this your program step to step, that is call of project specific plan. Now we have to after that at we have to OHS target, EHS target, because of you have policy, you have EHS plan, but how to what you will have, because of you know that without of goal, without of target, we cannot achievements any safe target. So you have to have you have to develop and establish an annual target and half yearly target, and some different organizations different category and different thinking. So you have to have prepared EHS target and objectives and how to achievements this target you have to identify. So that is a third thing of very important for the if you are going to work and develop a safety culture. So that process must be that process should be followed in your construction site. So target, a target must be evaluated on time to time. Next we have target means what types of target. Target we can unsave, we can keep target. Suppose that your training in increase, suppose that something innovative, suppose that you have how to you can you have how to you can save the human, save the land, save the air pollution, save the water pollution, save the water consumption, save the what electric consumption. How to how to 100% achieve the hazard risk assessments and trainings and toolbox stocks and everything related the safety. Each target must be identified in your plan and you have to achieve. and monitor time to time. Next, we have EHS risk management. That is a very fantastic way if you are going to work or constructions and any industry area. Hazard risk assessment. Now, risk is assessment is the biggest part and that is a good tools to reduce the accident ratio and ill health at the workplace. Because of if you have mitigate all those type of risk on site, then that maybe site maybe without a side maybe side will be very safer for work, and that may be very good atmosphere create in your organization and your place. So risk management, risk must be evaluated. Suppose that as per the scope of work you have to prepare work method statements, risk assessment that call HIRA, and some organizations are are prepared are the FTA fault tree analysis. Some organizations earns HAJOP, and some organizations are taking care of FEMA failure mode of effective failure failure effective mode mode mode. So that at all type of tools and there are must be risk matrix. So that is a very good tool for the control and reduce the reduce risk or hazards in your premises, and you can increase the productivity and better work in your workplace and reduce the first aid cases incident at your workplace. Now we will discuss about the competency training and awareness. Now, because of that there are many people else come from the native place. They are very literatures. They are not out proper skills. So, they all are working with your projects. Then you have to first responsibility to check the competency levels as for the particular activity as particulars job. Then if they will satisfy, then you can and go ahead. So, how to check the competency levels. Suppose that you have to one questions papers and training feedbacks and observing and past previous data you can collect from verbally for those workers working on site. So, competency test is very important who are working a high risk activity in your workplace, and also conduct trainings and safety inductions training, job specific training and project related safety training. What are the hazard in your project and what types of projects. So you have to identify, you have to communicate the people, those peoples are working in your workplace. Next, we have communications and meeting other project communication. How to communicate the side base safety lapses, safety gaps, safety achievements. So you have to conduct safety meetings, safety trainings, and safety performance and records documentation should be maintained in your workplace. Safe work procedures are daily we are taking. Suppose that I am working in a organizations, so there are a systems who are taking daily basis safety, daily basis in basis permit to work. There are divided three parameters of the parameters of review the permit first contractor engineer safety officer after the PMC engineer and certified by the PMC safety managers. Then, and if in case of any findings, then permit will be rejected. Permit will be not signed without the workplace is not safe. So that is a system of permit daily tool or daily activity plans. What are the plan on before one day you have to prepare? We are also preparing the a work of safety. What are the work tomorrow we will going to do. So pre-plan and accordingly the daily work activity and we are conducting in one coordinations meetings on daily basis on 12:30 for the coordinations meeting, what are going on, what are activity are hazardous, and what are the compliance status. So that is a very good things. And daily standing meeting, daily site inspections, daily toolbox talk, yoga practices, ASM practices, and daily inspections as per the monthly plan. Occupational health safety management, pre-examinations, medical health checkup, occupational health safety, medical health facility. We have first aider, we have first aid room, and accordingly the BOCW Act, we are maintaining first aid box at the workplace, and each box are with fulfill a list of contents materials, first aid material accordance of the BOCW Act. And also we have teams aims in case teams at the workplace in case of any emergency. We have full-time ambulance, we have siren, we have a dedicated team, and assembly point, emergency exit way, and every all workers are communicated the same, and they are also alert in case of emergency how to do and how to deal with the emergency. So that is a part of also emergency. And if there are a total numbers of working, suppose that we are working in a project, some organizations have 100, 1000, 2000 people working in a single project. So that is basic responsibility to employer must be provided proper welfare facility. So welfare facility means dining halls, accommodations facility, drinking waters, washroom, restroom, changing room, and food consuming area, toilet, urinal, and cleaning supervisors, maybe scavengers must be provided, so that it will be maintained at all times your workers toilets and bathrooms. So that is a basic requirement of health safety, basic need and expectations of worker at the workplace. Environment management systems, at environment management systems, there are suppose that I am also briefing you. When I am working also a constructions, a real estate organizations, good there have good provisions and good protections related the environments. Contractor has been initiated, it provided the air monitoring device. So air monitoring, it will be every times monitoring the air pollutions, and we can take the pictures, take the photographs and evidence of the air monitoring test reports. And you have also provided the smoke guns and smoke guns, fire sprinkling automatics in case of any dust, in case of any dust generate at more than 55 if parameter particulate matters, then we have provided spraying on the workplace. That is a good thing. In waste collections, garbage and waste transport agency, waste disposal plans, dedicated team working on the waste management plan. And we have also tie up with the waste management systems. In case of any wastage, they will certify to and mention the same. Equipment management system, PPE, power tools, safety inspections, and equipment's critical test report. We have all equipments test reports and third party test report. All our equipments and using must be used after inspections by the safety managers and others. Transport vehicles, that is a very big hazards in construction site, transport and vehicle safety. So gate management, so you have to prepare a proper gate management system, separate pathway for workers, and signalman, traffic controllers must be deployed, and vehicles must be maintained. A maintenance at the workplace, and speed limit also signage, and training in awareness and incident management. Training awareness us and motivations in place. Also, EHS performance monitoring inspections, and we have up to three types of audit conducted on site and management's review meeting and lagging in leading indicators reviewing during the EHS management system. So there are very good things, that is a very good things, and that is a basic management EHS management systems at the workplace. So as a safety professionals, you have to proper planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and improving. So that is a management. That is a basic thumb rule. Five thumb rule. First is organizing. First is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling, improving. So that is a basic five managements you have to identify. You have to aware about the five managements of EHS, and you have to prepare. You have to do on regular basis. Thanks.